Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with the Dragon Car. Today I will show you some interesting diecast and Hot Wheel car I just bought from website Alibaba. So let's take this together everyone with the first model 2020 convert. Okay, don't mind me if I pronounce incorrectly because I'm not live or I don't live in abroad. Okay, let's check this everyone with the best color and with the body supercar, right? Now check another one everyone. Oh wow, very nice. 89 rescue. Well, check the body with the black color. Very nice everyone. I think it is very nice. It's like a robot. Okay. Everyone, let's take another interesting. I think this model, it looks like an ice cream, everyone. Oh my god. Donut drifter. Donut drifter. But I love its color, everyone, with a pink color. It look great. Yes, let's check. Cool color. Very nice. Taxi, right? Taxi. I love this one so much, everyone. I love this one so much. Very interesting, right? Very interesting. Okay, now let's check another interesting one. So nice. Everyone so nice. Do you love it? I love it. I love it, everyone. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching.